You will cover up. You're just showing my face, so move back a bit. Hey, then lift it up a bit. Let them see me peeling the potato. Lift it up a bit. Lift it up, come close a bit. And lift it up a bit. Lift it up. That's it. You can show the peels more than the dentelle. Good morning, guys. This is the third day of me fermenting my sweet potatoes to turn it into sweet potato starch. Good morning, guys. This is the third day of me fermenting my sweet potatoes to turn it into sweet potato starch. So I'm going to show you. You see how it looks. Right now it has a very sweet smelling aroma coming out. But from the smell, you know that yes, this is a smell of active fermentation. You will see bubbles coming out from the sweet potatoes. You see some of them have already turned very soft and mushy. Okay, so we're going to view that now. You can see this particular pot. You can see how mushy and soft this is. You can see all these bubbles. If you look down very well, you see alcohol or air coming out. You see it in the form of bubbles bubbling out the surface. Okay, if I should keep quiet, you hear the sound. Can you hear the sound? That is the bubbles, that's the sugars in the potato getting fermented. This is another drum. Okay, you can. This one is more easy for you to see how it's bubbling out. You can see this has been doing this throughout the day. Okay, this fluid now, this water now contains a lot of alcohols. Okay, this is how fermentation is made. This is the third one. This does not have much fermentation going on, and it is still hard and soft. You see, but if you taste it, it is not that sugary. It tastes a bit bland. Okay, probably because this container is open, so the conditions are not that optimal for bacterial fermentation. Okay, so this day 4 early morning. This is really mushy. This is really mushy. I have to be careful because of all the breaking up. This one is not that mushy. I think it has to do with the kind of the species of potatoes, because I bought 2 different types of potatoes from 2 different people. Even though both of them looked light-skinned, they looked the same, but I guess maybe fertilizers or something, I don't know. This one is still strong. Okay, this one still looks strong. I can actually break it, you see, and taste it. There's very little sweetness left. It's more of sour. Okay, so and I guess this one, the fermentation is not that much because it is open, but these 2 were closed. Okay, so you see the fermentation is much here, and it's higher in this one, probably due to the species of potatoes. Then here I'm rinsing the sweet potatoes with clean water. I'm giving it another rinse. This should be the 5th rinse we are giving it. The 5th and final rinse. We've been changing the water every day. We've been changing the water every day for about 3 days now. Okay, so this is the final one. After I rinse it, I allow it to drain. Then I dry it up. You can see it. When I finish everything, I'll show you. Guys, this is my sweet potato. I've dried it. and I've spread it evenly. You can see. So I'm going to leave this to dry. This is day 1. We'll see how many days it will take us for it to dry. Okay, garden. Okay, this is the sweet potato peel. You can see it. It's quite a lot. Half was given to animals, and the other half is what I've poured in here. I'm going to pour it in. I like this to stay in a heap like this, decompose, and then spread it around the garden. Okay. These are also some of the herbs I use in my soap. You can see aloe vera, you can see rambasil, okay, you can see mint leaves. You can see all of them. I use them in my soap. Guys, this after drying for, I think this has been drying for about 4 days. This has been drying for about 4 days and it is dried, but not completely. You still have some little bit left. You can see it. You see, it's hard and dried. Okay, but I'll still leave it for I think about 2 more days. I just left it out here. I don't used to take it into the house. I just left it out here for about 4 days now. Okay, that's what I did to it. So maybe by tomorrow I'll gather it. This is about 2 bags of potato. I don't know how to quantify it for you, but we here, a bag here is about 5,000 naira. So this sweet potato here is about 10,000 naira. Guys, so I had to buy another bag just to show you how 1 bag looks. Okay, this is it here. This is 1 bag of sweet potatoes. This here is 5,000 naira. But because I bought 2 previous bags, the man left it for me at 4,500. So this is it here. That's how it looks. So now that you've seen how a bag is, this is my 2 bags. I've gathered them in one place. They have dried up now, but I'm still leaving them so that there will be little water of activity remaining in it. Okay, I want it to be crispy dry as much as possible. So this is it. I've gathered it in one place. This is the 5th day. So I'll leave this for about 2 days again before I'll package it inside and then keep it for grinding. Buhu masara. Shi ne ina magana buhun da ana sa masara.